Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. It is your girl NERIAHNICKOLEE back to you with another video. Today we are reviewing this lovely unit that I did get from the local hair store. It is from the new Outre Melted Hairline. This is in the style Sabrina. It is a hazelnut color that does come in a ton of different colors, but this color is specifically hazelnut. And yeah, if I say so myself, this wig is bomb, honey. Okay, bomb. Okay, for me to have spent $50 for this, like, I am obsessed. So if you guys are interested in watching this review and just kind of seeing how I work this wig, please keep on watching. YouTube, and as you can tell from the title, we are obviously reviewing a wig, okay, but not any wig, bitch, a wig, okay. No, so we are reviewing this bad baby today. This is the Outre Melted Hairline wig. This is in the style Sabrina. I did get this in this hazelnut color. If you can see from the stock card, it does have quite a few colors on the back, so it comes in a variety of colors. When you open the stock card, it's just, there's a nice message inside and just a few models kind of like modeling the different colors that this wig comes in. So we will be reviewing Miss Sabrina today. I did get this in my hair store. It isn't sponsored or anything like that, but this wig review is kind of long overdue because I said I was going to do one, and yes, it's been a little minute since I've had this unit, but I never wore it. I was actually waiting to review the wig before I put it on, but this is the color which I absolutely love. This does have a part already. Yeah, it does come with a part. The lace is pretty light, but I must admit it looks pretty nice if you ask me. It looks pretty nice. It does come with 2 combs. Let's see. Yes, it does have a comb in the back, as well as 2 combs on the side. So yeah, this is pretty much it. It doesn't give me shiny vibes. I actually think this wig looks pretty nice. So I'm excited. I really like the layers that's cut in here. So yes, as you can see, I'm just throwing on a wig cap. I'm not doing anything too spectacular, or I'm not cutting the lace. I'm not doing anything like that. We're just gonna throw this wig on, you guys. So yeah, let me put this bad baby on. It does also have an elastic band, which I really like about that. Let's see. Oops. So we are go ahead and pull this up. Oh, I really like this, y'all. So this is the wig. I like how it's plucked, honestly. And for $50, y'all, like, y'all can't beat this, okay? And I love a synthetic just because I can always change my hair. Like, it gives me that freedom of changing my hair often and just being whoever the fuck I want to be. So yes, ma'am, I am feeling this a lot. Like, I really am feeling this color. So let me, yeah, all I'm gonna do is just brush it. I have my spray here that I'm just gonna kind of spray around the lace, let it sit for a few minutes. I'm really not keeping this wig on too long because I have a hair appointment tomorrow, but I did want to go ahead and get this wig review out tonight. So I'm just really going to spray around the edges. I'm not really going to hold this wig down and then cut the lace off. And yeah, I will, let me go in with, I'm going to go ahead and add some foundation to the lace inside this wig. Tint the lace a little bit. You want to make sure not to put too much on here because I definitely made a mistake and you're going to get shit all in the hair. So you want to just smear this color all around the lace, kind of just get it tinted. You don't need to put too much product in there. All right, honey. And y'all, okay, like, oh no ma'am, bitch, period, okay, absolutely love this unit, and I paid $49.99 for this unit, okay, looks so good. It looks so much better now that I tinted the lace. I don't know, because like every time I do this, and I am like filming and it looks good, and then when I start editing it looks horrible. So I'm really hoping that's kind of not the case right now, but it definitely looks good over here. Oh, I love it. I just love the color. I'm all about color. Like, I love me some motherfucking color. So all right, you guys, so I'm just gonna go through and I'm not gonna go through with a wax stick or anything. I am gonna go ahead and add just a little bit of foundation to the part. Oh, I gotta get me more of these. Like, I have to get me more of these. Next is we're gonna go ahead and spray our holding spray, best holding spray in the world. I'm just gonna take very, very small amounts and just spray around the hairline. Obsessed. Okay, I haven't been looking, it's been a while since I put myself together and look like somebody, so I am truly obsessed with this wig. I love the color, absolutely love the cut. Everything about this wig is so natural and human-like that it's just really hard to believe this is, you know, synthetic quality nowadays. I'm all for synthetic wigs. Like I said, anything to be, you know, looking good on the budget, I'm all for it. Okay, I 100% like the wig. I will say the lace is a little hard to work with. As y'all can see, I was definitely doing my best to blend this in, so it may look a little light, but at least to me it looks good, so that's all that matters. But y'all, do y'all see that? But yes, absolutely love it. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. I absolutely love that the quality of synthetic wigs now are just so much better than what they used to be back in the day. And yeah, the fact that you can get this look on a budget is what's up. So I'm definitely for it. I absolutely love this wig. Highly recommend. So you guys go check them out. I will have a few links below of where you can get this wig. Once again, I did get this from my local hair store. The prices definitely can vary depending on where you get it from, but I highly recommend. Yes, ma'am. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. It was so nice doing this quick little video. I definitely need to get back into groove of doing other videos other than my vlogs. So until next time, you guys, I love you guys, and until next time, see you later.